Hello students, good morning to all. How are you all? I hope that all of you are fine and doing very well. Students, this is Amit Tripathi, your maths teacher. And students, in previous video we have discussed about chapter number 6, line and angle. We have discussed about the lines and various type of lines. And we are today going to study about angles, type of angles, adjacent angle, what is linear angle and what is vertical opposite angle. And this is going to help us with our first exercise, that is 6.1. Okay, so let us take the first topic of this, that is angle. Okay, now what is an angle? Previously we have studied about rays. Okay, rays, lines. Okay, whenever two rays meet or when two rays originate from a common point, let this common point be O. There is a ray OA and another ray is OB. It originates from a common point. Okay, then what they make in between both is known as angle. This is an angle. Okay, or when two lines cross each other, intersect each other, say this line be A, B. Okay, let us take another line. Let us take this line and name it as C, D. Okay, both cross each other, then they also make angles. Let this be angle X, let this angle be Y, let this angle be Z, this angle be W, and so on. Okay, so what is angle? When two ray meets, angle is formed. When two line meets, the angle is formed between them. Okay, now the measurement of inclination of the lines gives the measurement of angle. What it means? It means that when we find the inclination of this ray over another ray, we will get the measurement of angle between them. Okay, so let us move to second topic, that is type of angle. How many types are there? The various type of angle has been decided on the basis of the measurement of angle. Types of angles. Okay, so first of all, the first type of angle is known as acute angle. The first type is acute angle, and the measurement of the acute angle. The acute angles vary from 0 up to 90. They are found, all the angles between 0 to 90. They are known as acute angle. Okay? All the angles lying between 0 to 90. Now, the second type is, that is right angle. This is right angle, and right angle is equal to the angle which are equal to 90. Okay? The right angle is the angle which are equal to 90 degree. They are called as right angles. Now, the third type is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle? Now, this is the third type. Angles greater than, they are greater than 90, all the angles which are greater than 90 but less than 180. Okay, all the angle greater than 90 but less than 180 are known as obtuse angle. Okay, how we measure the angle? We measure the angle by the help of a protractor. Protractor is called as chanda in Hindi. Okay, now you can see the protractor like this. Okay, a protractor set. Okay, or it can be also in the shape of this. Okay, protractor set. Various measurements are given over on it. Okay, let us see the fourth type. The fourth type is straight angle. The fourth type is straight angle. What is the straight angle? A straight angle means a straight line, and the angle is equal to 180. When the angle is equal to 180, the angle is known as straight angle. Now the last is reflex angle. The fifth one is reflex angle. What is reflex angle? The reflex angle is the angles greater than, which are greater than 180 but they are less than 360. Less than 360 degree angle. Okay, this is the definition of reflex angle. Now the last angle, that is complete angle. Okay, now what is complete angle? Complete angle itself says that it is complete, that is angles equal to 360. Okay, complete angle means angle that is equal to 360. Okay, so here we have discussed how many type of angles are there. Let us draw here to illustrate this in a very clear and lucid manner. Okay, all the angles, this is 0, this is 90 degree, this is 180, okay, this is 270, and again when this is also counted as 360. We are taking this as the initial line. This is the initial line, okay, or initial ray. Okay, we are taking the measurement in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, all the angles from 0 to 90 lying in this region are acute angle. Angles from this to this is acute angle. Okay, now again the angle which are equal to 90, that is called as right angle. This is called as right angle. Okay, now angle which are greater than 90 and between 180 lying in this region, they are known as obtuse angle. These are known as obtuse angle. Angle which are equal to 180, that is, it is called as straight angle. This is called as straight angle. Okay, again the angles lying between this region 180 greater and less than 360, these are known as reflex angle. These are known as reflex angle, and the angle equal to 360, it is known as complete angle. This is known as complete angle. So in the single figure we have taken all the angles, all the types. Let us talk about the remaining three types, that is adjacent angle, linear pair, vertically opposite angle. Okay. The third one is adjacent angle. Okay, when we talk about adjacent angle, what we mean? Okay, let us see an angle. Here I am drawing an angle. Let us see. Let us mark out this as O, A and B. Okay. Let us draw one more ray. This is, let us mark it as C. Okay. Here we can see that there are, if we take two angles, let us write one angle as COB, angle COB. Okay, when we talk about angle COB, I am referring to this angle. Okay, let us take another angle. Which angle is that? This angle is AOC. This one, angle AOC. Okay, what is common? What is the common thing in both these angles, this angle and this angle? Is there anything common in both the angles? Yeah. Here, as we can see that ray OC is common. One ray is common in both the angle. And when this situation arises, when in two angles any ray is common, then they are called as, if any ray is common, then they are called as adjacent angle. So in the figure I have drawn over here, these two angles are adjacent angles. Let us take another example. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let us see here. This is O. Let us mark it as X. Okay. Let us mark it as X, Y and Z. Okay. Here let us take two angles. This angle is angle YOX. Okay, another angle we are referring is OXZ. This one, angle OXZ. Here also we can see that in both the angles, which ray is common? Here OX is common. Which one is common? This side is common. OX is common. So both are adjacent angle. Okay. These are known as adjacent angle. Okay. Let us move to our fourth topic, fourth point, that is linear pair. That is linear pair. Okay. Now we have understood about adjacent angle. If two adjacent angle, forms 180-degree angle together. Okay, if two adjacent angle form 180-degree angle together, then they are called as linear pair. So this is the condition for linear pair. First condition is they should be adjacent, and second that they should make 180-degree angle together. Like, let us draw two angles. Okay, here mark it out, A, B and this is C. Here this is the, let this be X angle and this be Y. Here angle X and angle Y both are adjacent. Angle X and angle Y are adjacent. Okay, we can see here. And also we can see that both lie on a line and completely both the angles form 180 degree angle. That is angle x plus angle y is equal to 180. Both are following the conditions. So we can say that angle x and angle y are linear pair. So any angle, any two angles which are adjacent as well as they form 180 degree angle together, they are known as linear pair. Okay. When we are having two lines crossing each other, or we can say intersecting each other. Okay, we are getting here four angles. Let this angle be x, this angle be y, this angle be z, and this angle be w. Okay. Okay, now here in these lines we are getting two pair of angle, like angle x and angle z. Okay, and another set of angle are angle y and angle w. Both these pairs, these two pairs are known as vertically opposite angles. These pairs are known as vertically opposite angles, and these angles are equal. That is, angle x is equal to angle z and angle y is equal to angle w. Okay, these are known as vertically opposite angle and they are equal in the measurement. Okay, so these were the 5 points we have discussed and we gonna use them in our first exercise. Okay, I will meet you with a new video, new exercise. Till then, take care. Goodbye.